How to add featured channel on YouTube PC. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Kate here, and on today's video I will guide you how you can add featured channel on YouTube on your PC. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, go to your YouTube and make sure that you're logged into your account or your channel. Navigate to your channel icon at the top right corner or your profile icon, and from here under your profile name, click on view your channel. So once you're on your channel piece here, click on customize channel that you will find under your channel name. Click on customize channel button. Now you will be taken into channel customization piece. Now to add your featured channel, click on this home tab. Once you're here under this layout, there is a button as add section. Click on it. From this menu bar, scroll down a bit and head towards featured channels. Now you could add your featured channel on your channel. And here you could add title to your section. Here I will just type in great channel. Under that, now you could search for any channel on the YouTube. Search for your preferred channel that you want to add in your featured channel on your YouTube home page. So for example, I will just search for tutorial. And here on the search results, you will find all of the channels that you can add. Select your channel name, click on the tick mark, and once you have selected the channel, click on done. So once you're done selecting the channel that you want to add, click on done. And now with that, you have added this channel on your featured channel. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.